News.
Tragedy in Annotto Bay, St. Mary this evening following the murder of a 3-year-old girl. The police are seeking the public's help in capturing the gunman. This morning, the Child Protection and Family Services Agency visited the family of the 3-year-old girl to offer support. TVJ News spoke to a family member about the incident. Jamaica Mitchell reports.
Disruption of calm, minutes to 10 Wednesday evening. The community of Cane Lane, St. Mary. Another murder scene in the seaside town. This time, a 3-year-old child was the victim. The little girl has been identified as Khaleesi Matthews, otherwise called Puka. Khaleesi's stepfather, Andrew Dixon, who did not wish to show his face on camera, told TVJ News that his stepdaughter died while they were on their way to get food.
Baby mother order dumpling and chicken from a local cook shop and go over the house to go get the ice cream. So I should go for get the ice cream. Walk with the little girl at a Carries, and I said, Carries, come, we are good until the mother come, because a regular something. And the way you're going down, I see a man in front of my car, the back bumper turned to the gate.
Mr. Dixon says not long after he saw the men, he heard explosions. When he looked, little Khaleesi was shot.
When the shot fire, the only thing I do, I duck, because I watch him. You see me? And I straight in a little girl chest. You see me, my mother come for him and I just walk up the road. I walk on my station, you see me? I make the police them know what really happened.
Mr. Dixon says he's not sure what happened because he's not in a dispute with anyone.
More and play ball and them things that America will tell them I have 2 cars and them things and the youth them get corrupt. Because even now, last night they broke my house and take out my TV and my DVD. And them things.
After the incident?
After the incident, dig up all my wallet and my license and everything. So it's a form of corruption when nobody fire do it. And the youth them on the lane do it because the youth them want to get rid of me.
The police say they will be providing counseling for family members and friends of the infant. Meanwhile, head of the St. Mary Police Superintendent Bobette Morgan says they are going to clamp down on parties in the parish, especially during holidays, as criminals tend to emerge at these times.
And so we will be looking into the whole idea of the party situations and the permits in relation to the number of parties in the parish and in Annotto Bay in particular. We have to do what we have to do to ensure that our citizens are safe, and if this is what we have to do, then we have to do it. So I just want to once again appeal to the residents of Annotto Bay. Tell us what you know so that we can apprehend this individual or these individuals who are responsible for the crimes, the murders that are taking place and has taken place in Annotto Bay.
Of the 21 murders recorded in the parish last year, 10 were in Annotto Bay. St. Mary has had 6 murders this year. 2 are from that town. Jamaica Mitchell, TVJ News.